first of all, Russia has been 18 years.
18
yeah,
years.
it's taken 18 years, not 8. Mongolia, we were always looking for new markets where we could replicate what happened in Russia back in the early mid-90s. And Mongolia had a lot of the characteristics we were looking for. The ability to buy resource stocks trading at a penny on the dollar of what they would cost if they were in Western countries. And that's like what happened in Russia when we came there in 1994. And investors in our first fund, Firebird Fund, in spite of all the turmoil since then, have made 45 times their money. And that's what we're always looking for, another place where we think we could do it again. And Mongolia had a lot of the characteristics that we look for.
Now, when you go into a market, you visit it first.
Yeah.
So what do you see that makes you convinced that the Mongolia story is going to play out? They don't have Western style accounting. There aren't a lot of the norms that you would expect.
In a frontier market, you have to lower your sort of threshold of what you expect. I mean, that's why the opportunity is there. When they have Western type accounts and they're listed on the London Stock Exchange, the opportunity is going to be mostly gone. So you have to buy it when no one else is willing to do it. When my partners first went there, it wasn't my call, but when my partners first went there, what they found was that Mongolia was an enormous coal resource play, and that coal stocks were trading at about 5 cents per ton of coal in the ground, whereas Western coal stocks trade, $5. 99% discount gets our attention in any market. Then in 2008, they began to reform the political system and the mining laws to welcome in foreign investors, and that changed everything, and that made the stock market investable. So that's when we made our big push there, and early in 2010, I believe it was, that we made a major push into Mongolia, raised money specifically for Mongolia.
So put that in perspective versus what you're doing in Romania.
In the Balkans.
Yeah,
the Balkans,
the
Romania,
Balkans,
Bulgaria, in our Eastern
Stop.
European funds,
Fuck the
it's a different
Balkans.
story
Can you stop?
entirely. They're not